As you may have found, there's a pretty difficult drift zone here in the Shimanoyama region in Forza Horizon 6. It's on dirt, but cars that are made for dirt are not really good on it. I recommend a rear-wheel drive car, since you're gonna have to make a lot of turns that kick your tail out. So any rear-wheel drive car will do. The one I use here is overkill, but as you'll see, it's not really overkill because I barely make the score. Now it's over here to the west of Tokyo City. And let's see how it goes. Now get a little run up here, and I like to get into a high gear for the first churn to get some speed into it, because the more speed you have in a churn, the more points you get. Alright, so you're gonna see me doing a lot of these S churns, just constant, just trying to get as many points as I can before the big churns, because every point counts here. Downshift in this area to decrease your speed so you can make more turns. But make sure before the next area to upshift, because you're going to be going uphill again. You're going to need the speed. As you can see, I do not upshift, and I miss this drift right here. So make sure to be in a higher gear to get some speed. Here I hit some rocks, and I barely make it. But yeah, thanks for watching.